This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are going to assemble the new sports candy bar wrappers. So we have a pickleball, football, basketball, soccer, and bowling. And I'm going to start here with the pickleball. Sorry about my cat. So the courts on all of these are the same. You're just going to put the outline of the court on the solid background. Hey baby. My kitty's talking to me. Hi sweetheart. Okay, so each one of those has a background like that. The pickleball now with each one of these, all you have to do is line up the ball in the center, and then everything will go right where it's supposed to be. Oh my goodness, what's wrong? No, 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 no. So the black has the like grips that are on the paddle. So I'm going to put these to the back. So this is going to be the belly band. Oops. And I don't have any of my foam tape. Take a quick look in my box. Okay. Well, normally I would pop this up, but I don't have any foam tape, so I am just going to just glue it down flat. Oh my goodness. Let me see if I can force out whatever is clogging up my glue bottle. that just made a mess. So I just have one base right here. And you just want to fold it. Probably shouldn't be leaving my glue bottle sitting. It's going to get dried again. Okay. And then since it's a belly band, you just want to make sure it's not too tight. And I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on each end. Glue that down. And then this will glue to the front. Okay. So we will do that with, for heaven's sakes. I cannot believe this is wanting to do this. So you're just going to eyeball it because there is a border all the way around. And then slide the belly band around it. The football, if you want to add the team colors behind the touchdown, you can add the 2 team colors. And then you put this on gracious. Then you put this on. You put it on a white background. Of glue everywhere. Okay, then this would glue onto the base. I've already glued the white behind my football. Then you would add the ball to the belly band. And that's your football. See, these are all very similar and very easy to put together. You can get your glue bottle working. Mine seems to be going okay now. A fine tip glue bottle will help you with some of these outline pieces. And again, you're just going to add your quart outline to the solid base. So there's your basketball. Now the soccer has a grass field. This would be a fun thing to do if you have snacks for the team and everybody can just grab. So the bowling has this that says strike. This is for the inside pocket, and it just has a pin that glues on to the eye. And then this will just glue right on to your base. I've already put on the little stripes for the bowling pins, and the white behind the bowling ball is the pins, and you can see this curve here, and you're just gonna add your bowling ball right on there like that. So these are all of the different sports candy bar wraps: bowling, soccer, basketball, football, and pickleball. Thank you for joining me.